welcome to Work It Out Wednesday. Today, we're going to work out our right and left pinky keys using the G flat concert. That's our A flat major scale. This is a scale that we'll play for both middle school and high school auditions. And we're going to want to make sure that we're comfortable, confident, and consistent in how we use our right and left hand pinky keys. So let's dig right in. First, we'll start with the C note. We're going to play the C using our right pinky key. You can see right here, you have 4. We're going to put our C right here. That's our right pinky key, C. Now we're going to get ready for a D flat. And we're going to use our left pinky key to activate this left side key. So right C, left D flat. The following note is an E flat. Here's how we're going to work that. As I'm depressing the D flat, I'm going to go ahead and lift my right pinky key and hover, put my fingerprint even on the E flat key ready for the next note. And now I'm going to lift my left pinky key and depress my right pinky key simultaneously. So right, left, right. Slowly again, right, left, right. Sounds like this. Start slowly, be very deliberate. Once you can do that consistently, crank the tempo. Then try it in reverse. Once you feel comfortable with that pattern, you can put it in the context of the full major scale. Here it is, A flat scale for clarinets, concert G flat. Take your time, practice effectively, practice accurately, and stack good reps on top of one another. I would love to help you get ready for your next big audition. We have courses for the middle school and the high school soprano clarinet all-state etudes. We'll help you with your scales, your etudes, and your sight reading. And during the month of September, you can use the coupon code KICKSTART to save $15 on our course. The course is over 75 minutes of measure by measure, note by note, detailed instruction on how to play these etudes, scales, and sight reading with excellence. If you're interested in private lessons, I'd be happy to help you there too. The links are in the description below, 5starmusicacademy.com. Check us out. We would love to help you get ready for your next big audition.